welcome to another segment of Drawing with the Rouser. I'm going to teach you how to draw a caricature from a face. I do look up all my models on Pinterest, so if you're wondering where I get my models from, it's Pinterest. Alright, so let's go ahead and get started. We need a Crayola. I just got these as a knockoff, but you can use Crayola if you have Crayola. So let's start with our basic head shape. Okay, so what's our head shape? Here it's going to be a hexagon. 1, 2, 3-sided figure on the bottom. Okay, so we're going to use half of a hexagon. Now here, we're going to add the bottom of my ear shape and my earrings. Nice big hoop earrings. Once you've drawn that, we go to our neck shape. I usually like to draw my shoulders in here at that point. Okay. All right, now we're going to go to the top of our hexagon. I'm going to give her a little bit more forehead here. So I'm going to kind of go up here, 1, then I'm going to go, watch this, 2, and then I'm going to do this, 3. See, so we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This hexagon shape is so powerful. It can draw just about anything. Now watch how I put my hair. I use this shape here, and I'm kind of going to wrap hair around the pieces. Let's go ahead and do our shapes here. 1, 2 shapes. When you do the hair in pieces, everything flows together real nice. Think about it like pictures of a puzzle. Alright, now let's go ahead and do our inner shapes. But first, let's give her a little bit of baby hairs. She got a few baby hairs here, about 2 or 3 baby hairs right there, and some baby hairs right here. I ain't got no baby hairs. Alright, let's do the eyebrows here. We're going to do this shade of watch. 1. Watch this. 2. 2 little hexagons. Now you're probably saying, well, what about that little stick on the end? We'll just do something like that. You see how easy it is? Alright, now let's do our eye shape here. I'm going to use a parallelogram. That's a shape that kind of looks like this. I think these best represent her eyes. See here, I put a little shape over the top here. We'll just go ahead and add her little eyes in there. I try not to use shapes that are so curvy. This parallelogram gives me that look that I want for my eyes. We can't forget to put those eyelashes right. Alright, let's go ahead and do these eyelashes down here. Go ahead and do our nose shape. We're going to use a hexagon shape. And then we'll add our lips. Watch how easy it is to draw lips. All we're going to do is take your pencil. Now we're going to do this shape. We're going to go 1, 2, 3. Then we're going to go like that. And then we're going to go 1, 2, 3. And then we're going to go 1, 2, 3. And then we'll give her a little bit of a smile for the camera, right? Pretty much we're done with the line work of our drawings. Now we want to add some shadows to the drawing. So you can take this marker here. It's a gray Yama, or you could just use a gray Crayola. If you have any gray marker around the house, you can use one of those. So watch how we can do lips. Just draw 3 little lines like that. Look at it. Look like you got some lipstick on, right? Just some little tricks of the trade. You don't have to do all this stuff that you see a lot of these caricature artists be doing. Our next portion is going to be hair. Don't worry, if there's one thing I know about, it's hair. Let's go ahead and get a crayon out. I have a little black crayon here. Right? We're going to use it to a quick little impressionism. I want to give you the impression of. Right? Okay. So I'm just about done. Now there's a chance while I'm doing this video that my son might come in here and say, Daddy, go turn on my Snoopy. I don't care that I'm doing a live stream or just come in my office whenever they feel like it. So pretty much I'm just going to go ahead and darken in my eyebrows. Darkening these eyes just a bit with this Sharpie. I like to use this at the end sometimes. to add a little bit of to the drawing, right? All right, so we're done. So all you have to do is just kind of work. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. See you next time.
Hey guys, I hope that you enjoyed that video tutorial. If you did, don't hesitate guys to go ahead and give us a like. Also guys, don't forget to hit the subscribe button below and the notifications button. This way, when we put up new material, you'll be the first to know. If you have any questions about our markers or pens or paper, and you'd like to know where I get some of the materials that I use here on my art stream, there's a link in the description below, so you can go ahead and check that out as well. And also guys, we'd like to welcome your questions and comments so that we can get some new ideas. You know, it's always good to have new, fresh ideas for our next and upcoming videos. Oh, and don't forget to check out these 2 super cool videos right here. So guys, thanks again for your love and support of our channel. You guys be safe out there. And as always, guys, I wish you happy cartooning.